Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. They stay with that drama. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest. Let's just be real.
Just keep it real with your friends. You the only nigga here feeling yourself. Walk in and bitches start filming. Sitting with a man, body ass still grinning. It's time. I'm so hot, mind on the counter. Past life sometimes feel like I'm in a comic. I don't give a fuck, bitch, with or without a condom. Fat Joe pockets lean back like a recliner. I'm in this representing West Side. A lot of people try to tell me I'm the next guy. Back gang got it tatted by my left eye. Chain gang over here, no necktie. But you know I'm all about the business from beginning to the end. Never sipping, sipping, P-A-T, all up to the end. And if I'm in the building, I was giving plates for the tennis. You call anyone you want. I'ma kill them all, bet on. Said we the only ones that stunt now. Let's just be real.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real.
While y'all was on IG, I was in a Mozzie. Drop top, I be in that foreign like I'm Fabi. Hustled in your building, and you couldn't stop me. Like the homie Jim Jones, I be in a lobby. Nigga tried to hit me 2 times with a shotty. Missed me, I dodged both shots. Kyrie, do it anywhere, having sex in the Bugatti. Nobody couldn't see us cause the windows got foggy. Flames try to rob me, it's gonna be a me. I hope the president pardon me, I'm sorry. Used to move like Billy the Kid, don't try me. Young gun, I was a YG like Yo Gotti. This is the remix, I'm blowing up 3 clips. I created the wig, now all of these rappers is C6. Like Juicy J, I tell you to your face, you can eat it quick. We can fight on the stage like both us got harmony. 360.
Tell the girl. When you was on a Zoom call, I was in the pool hall, crew tall, big old nuts like blue balls. Who y'all? When I'm at the plug in the U-Haul, Draco like a pool stick. I don't need a pool ball, y'all niggas lame, but that's nothing new to y'all. Can't buy call around lunch, still a movie call, trapping out a twin ball. The pussy still a bodyguard, looking Holly Grove and Cully Paul. I'm a star, like the ceiling in the RR. Got a couple restaurants, we can go bar for bar. We can go, party hard. I throw this paper tag at you from a foreign car. Pimpin' like a Molly Mall, really no hard at all. I got this bitch in from Baltimore. I ain't been dabbing on the Molly, cause I'm fitting all. You can have these cardiac glasses, I done seen it all. Tony!
When I was getting you, I was still repeat on the little daddy when I leave